Yeah, Deli's a little under the weather. Look who's feeling better. Deli. We're currently at swimming lessons. Yeah. He's feeling better. Tell him. Say the fever's gone. My teeth are about to drop. Oh, sorry, Della. Let me show y'all what they're up to.
All I do is play the game, yeah. All them haters feeling lame, yeah. They just tryna hide the pain. I ain't tryna play no games. They just tryna steal the fame, yeah. Throwing haters in the trash. Got them tryna steal my swag. Now I'm getting in the bag, yeah. They the ones to blame, yeah. It was fine until they came, yeah. When I'm done spitting this flame, the whole world gon' know my name. All them haters feeling lame, watching me get all the fame. They be feeling all the shit. I'm just tryna play the game. I'm just tryna play the game, yeah. They see me, I be swagging, they be bagging. I don't care if I'm sagging. I'm the leader of the pack. J square on the track. I ain't about to lose that. Y'all know I'm coming back, yeah. All them haters feeling lame, they just all acting the same. They wish we never came, but we just tryna play the game, yeah. I just wanna say shout out to my parents, my little brother Joab. I know you're listening, Jay.
Here, Joe. You guys, look at how good the tomato plant is doing. Remember the last time I showed you guys, it was a little thingy. This has grown so much, and there's like little tomatoes already. So I'm gonna pick them out. There's some right here that didn't really fully ripe yet. Some right there. Some here. Some here. You've pretty much seen it's definitely doing good. The rest of the plants aren't doing as good. Like this didn't come up yet. This didn't come up yet. But the eggplant is really good. Like the leaves are humongous. I just don't know when they're gonna actually start coming out. I see the little flowers right here, but just gotta keep my eyes on it. And the cucumber also, just taking its time. Okay. All right. So we are back home from swimming. The day has ended. We are going back to swimming because Joab has a swimming show.
Wait, what's this, Mom?
Ew.
It can stay on. See, look.
We're headed back to.
It will stay on. See, look.
We're headed back to swimming to watch the show.
Front crawl and a back slide to a back crawl. The upper level two, Michelle and Avery, are going to jump in and swim to the stairs.
Joe.
Level one, they're going to jump in, back flow, front crawl, and they're going to after ring.
Deli. Deli. So they have to dive and get as many coins as they can. Of course, Grandma-T's over there helping out her little peanut. Lab's right there. These are the ones. So this one, this one. don't know what I feel about this one. I might try this. See how he likes it.
So I don't even remember where I left off, but we're gonna be going to Legoland tomorrow. So I am about to basically pack. I did some research and it says that you can bring some food if you have like dietary restrictions, which we do, and then a couple things that you should bring in advance. Saw that their hours are very short. It's like they're only open from 10 to 6, but it's really 10 to 5 because a lot of the restaurants and activities shut down an hour before. Well, at least that's what I saw in my research that I did. I'm gonna do a separate vlog for that, for our trip to Legoland. So if you're interested, that video will come out next week after you watch this week.
Deli Boo! Deli Boo! I just took his hair out. I gotta do it over. It was a little rough, but he's not due yet for a wash. So I'm just gonna make it look neat for when we go tomorrow. I know I did, I know when Joab was a baby, I did like a hair care tutorial in our family page. And a lot of people were interested in that. I don't know if you guys are interested in seeing that, like baby hair care stuff. But if you are, let me know in the comment. I could definitely make a video on that. Down! No! No! I'm curious though. He's clearly not listening to it. Hey you guys, it's the next day.
Legoland. Let me see.
We're on our way to Legoland. I didn't get a chance to vlog the packing yesterday because I literally fell asleep and I had to rush this morning.
Look.
I just packed our bags and we are on our way. So we will catch you guys in the next vlog. Bye for now.